Hey sellers, it's Sam from Overcast. Let's talk TikTok Shop. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to push products using our silk connector. And if you haven't already checked out my previous videos on how to create the connection, make sure to check those out. So we're here. You just finished creating your connection. Let's go ahead and click on the connection that you just made. And you're going to see the entire dashboard here. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to settings. You're going to make sure to go to the products tab, and then you're going to input all of these default package dimensions. These are default package dimensions that are required by TikTok, so it just needs some sort of estimated package dimension in there. So once you estimate how big some of your packages are, you can go ahead and switch to pounds, ounces, or grams, or kilograms, and then you can go ahead and input your estimated values here, and then click Save. Now you're going to want to pull products. Before you pull products into the connector, you're going to want to make sure that you go to the settings, the products tab, and then you scroll down. Make sure to check if in Shopify you categorize your products by either the product category or the product type field. And once you figure that out, make sure to switch it off based off of what you have in Shopify. Then it'll save, and then you can go ahead to the products tab on the left hand side. Go ahead to bulk actions, pull products, and this will pull products by date range. So recommended that you use the start date using the double arrows to go back a couple of years or to whenever you decided to start your store. You can click on a random date, and then today's date or a future date will work. And then you go ahead and click the status in Shopify. We can do active, draft, or archived, and if you want to do all the above, you can leave it blank. So in this case, we'll pull actives. You can even choose by Shopify collections. So if you have different collections in Shopify, you can go ahead and click on a collection that you have. And then after you've selected everything, go ahead and click OK. Now, what this will do is every time you do anything with the actions button, it's called a task. And the way our connector works is it will pull all of the products into the connector, but they'll still stay in the connector as unsynced. And then you get to choose which ones that you want to push over to TikTok Shop. So if we go back to the home page, you're going to see that the task has been completed, and I pulled in 3 total of my products. And you'll see that they've all been laid out here in the products tab. Now, before you want to push any of your products over to TikTok Shop, you're going to want to check your categories tab. Make sure that all of your categories are matched up with something that makes sense in TikTok Shop, and you can always switch it out here as well. These are not one-to-one, so make sure to always check off the most estimated or the most likely category that you have within Shopify. After you ensure that everything is all good to go here, you can go ahead to the products tab, and then you can check off many or all of your products, or even just one. You can check off the product and you'll see a sync product here. Once you click on that, the product sync task has been submitted. Go to home page and you'll see that it's running. You can go ahead and refresh the page and it'll say completed. As you can see here, it says one synced. So if you click on that, you'll see that it says it has been synced to TikTok Shop. So if you head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center and you refresh that page, you'll see that it is here and it is active. Right now in the silk connector, it says it's pending, but if you went ahead over to the 3 dots here and click refresh TikTok Shop status, it'll say live. Awesome. That's how you push products from your Shopify site to your TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's make it rain.